Right, so as the title says, I've got a new bike. Got the Specialised Levo Comp 2021 edition. So it's a good upgrade for the last bike, the Giant Stance. So I came over to Carron Valley today. Just got it the other day there, so this is its kind of first run in anger. So I took it round about with kind of local cycle pass. But this is the first time I've had it on a trail or anywhere kind of rough. So I don't know if I'll do any downhill sections. I'm just going to maybe take a follow the fire road to Meikle Bin. Take it a wee ride there, see if there's any needing tweaked and needing adjust it. And I'll maybe do one of the downhill sections on the way back. So right, we'll go for a wee ride then, see how she goes. Back in a bit. So first impressions, it's so much lighter and kind of nimbler than the Giant. The Giant was quite heavy, this is a lot lighter. Different motor settings on this, you've only got 3 settings on these Levos. It's Eco, Trail and Booster, Turbo or Booster, I can't remember what it is, but there's only 3 settings compared to 5 on the Giant. So that'll take a bit to get used to. Yeah, so far so good. I've never been on this path before. I've seen this wee path on Trail Forks that leads off the fire road towards Meikle Bin, so I said I'll give this a wee try, but it seems alright so far. But I'll tell you what, the motor is so quiet, you can hardly hear it. It's very quiet. Questa playa. Thank you. Cheers. Got a wee drink. Feel wee breezy up here. Cracking views up here, but it's a bit hazy in the distance, probably don't make much out. Okay. I think that's Ben Vorlich just popping its head up there, and over at the right a wee bit's the Lars range. Aye. It's just a wee bit too hazy, don't make much out. Aye, so the bike, I've got it during the week, so I made a couple of changes right away. So I got the tyres changed over to tubeless straight away. Got my saddle, my Ergon saddle fitted. I had that on the Giant Ergon saddle, and that's just a wee cheap mud flap online in my shed. I had a mud hugger on the Giant, and it doesn't fit this too well. Then I realised my Giant was a 27.5 and this is a 29er, so probably need to get another Another one for the front, but that'll do the now. I'll get one on the rear, but yeah, I'm really pleased with it so far. Yep. Well, head back to Carron Valley, maybe do a couple of wee trails, see how she goes. Get a wee feel for it, and the heavy stuff. Runway. Woohoo! Off the front wheel there. Right. Whew. Oh, look at the bands. So I'm going to have a wee cup of coffee, I think. Maybe go up and do another wee run. But it's it just feels a wee bit funny coming down the. I've not been down the trails in about 6 years. But it's the bike handle's very different to the Giant. It's so much nimbler and lighter, and it just feels weird when you're kind of approaching some of the jumps, you know, and the 29ers as well, you know what I mean. It just it's take bike getting used to, but it's really happy with it so far. So I'll just end this video here, and I'll maybe catch you in the next one. Ta-ra out. Bye.